Connect your Blum to Bitget Wallet. So open Blum and then open Wallet. Then select Connect Wallet. Then once you select Wallet, click on View All Wallets. After clicking View All Wallets, you'll see these wallet options and you want to click on Bitget Wallet. Make sure you have Bitget Wallet installed too on your phone and have your account logged in already, because it will be an easy peasy step and it will just be an easy connect. So there we go, just authorize my account. And you can use a fingerprint scanner on this one, so it will be very convenient. So just click on authorize after all that security steps. And there we go. After clicking authorize, and you already have now authorization on your Bitget wallet, and that ensures you that your Blum is now connected to your Bitget wallet. Thanks for watching.